The Omega Masticating Juicer MM900HDS is designed to enhance your juicing experience with its innovative IntelliDial technology, offering a selection of 30 built-in recipes tailored for various health benefits. Utilizing cold press technology, this juicer operates at a slow speed to extract the maximum nutrients and flavor from both fruits and vegetables, ensuring a healthier and more delicious juice. With a triple-stage auger, the Omega juicer efficiently maximizes juice yield while minimizing waste, making it an excellent choice for those who value sustainability and nutrition. The large 64-ounce hopper allows users to juice whole fruits and vegetables, eliminating the need for tedious pre-cutting and significantly reducing preparation time. Safety features such as an automatic stop when the hopper lid is opened ensure user safety and make this juicer easy and safe to operate in any kitchen environment. A sleek, premium matte finish and customizable mood light ring make the Omega juicer not only functional, but also a stylish addition to any modern kitchen.